always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
It's been a gorgeous night, very quiet. We're wrapping up about 3 dry days here, and overall we haven't really seen a lot of rain in the last 2 weeks. The showers and storms that are arriving about this time tomorrow are going to be our one shot at rain for the most part for the next week. So we'll continue the dry trend, but this batch of showers and storms is going to pack a punch. Not only do we have to worry about damaging winds, we're also going to be worrying about heavy rain. Some spots could see a good 3 inches, and that depends on if the line just rolls over the same spot over and over again. After these pass, sunshine, and then we'll see a shot at 90s, not just once, but for a steady string there as we work into the 4th of July. So those are the big takeaways, kind of in a nutshell. Let's go ahead and show you where the showers and storms are now. Not even close to West Michigan. They're working through Minnesota, and they don't look all that impressive. But as they get closer to us, they're going to get a few things to help strengthen the system, and they're also going to be rolling through Michigan at about the optimal time for severe weather. So they have all the things, all the factors coming together at once, right as they track down from the northwest to the southeast tomorrow. So the initial time frame for this is going to be right around 3 o'clock in the afternoon to about midnight, although I wouldn't be surprised if that time frame is truncated just a bit. But once we get afternoon, just keep your eye to the sky and watch for some of these showers and storms. There is a slight chance that the first round could fizzle a bit, but I think once we get to around 6 o'clock especially, we should see a very strong line of showers and storms dropping south through the day. So the potential for some bowing segments is there, the potential for damaging winds is there, and as this line drops down, it could become a bit more horizontal and drop more and more rain over the same communities. So I think all of us should plan on about a ½ inch, but some spots could see 1.5 inches or even as much as 3 inches of rain if you're in one of those spots that just gets unloaded on. So here's your FUTURECAST, and I just want to zoom it in so that you can watch this again. 2 o'clock, still dry. By the time we get to 3 or 4, we should at least see some shower and storm activity. And then there's the biggest line dropping through with another behind it, potentially bringing some damaging winds across the area. So as this thing starts to spread out, again, could drop some heavy rain, and then we'll watch for the pockets of damaging wind gusts. Whenever you see storm systems like this, it's very rare that everyone loses power, but just know that the potential for strong to dangerous storms is basically going to wrap up by the time we get to Saturday morning. After that, some 90s definitely within our horizon.
Yeah, good timing with the 4th of July, too. Thank you, Ellen.